Roxy! Roxy's gonna be a bumblebee. Roxy, do you like it? Roxy, do you like your outfit? Roxy, honey, do you like it? There you go. You're a cute bumblebee. You want a treat? Roxy? Do you want a treat? Here. Maybe if we go like there. How's that? Do you want a treat? Huh? Oh, you got it. Uh-oh. What happened? Uh-oh. Here. There you go. Roxy. Hey, Bumblebee. Roxy. What you want? Roxy. Oh. Uh-oh, there it goes again. Oh, poor Roxy.
Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
There you go, baby girl. You want to go trick-or-treating? Oh. Roxy, you want to go trick-or-treating? Huh? You want to go trick-or-treating? What you want? You want to get some treats? Yeah?